A very good afternoon to all. Myself Hani Sultana, working as assistant professor, belongs to Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. So today, as a part of lecture series, we are going to discuss a topic that is product design, that is designing operations. So let us now discuss what are the steps we are going to discuss in this topic. So here we are going to see uh, the product development process. This is about the recap and what are the major process that is involved in product design, product development. So the key stages involved is idea generation, that is screening the various ideas which are generated, and we have taken the best alternative solution, best idea that can be that can bring possible outcomes. Next we have the concept development. So based on the ideas generation, idea screening and generation, we are going to develop a concept, so which is relevant to the our own product. And next we have the business analysis. So whether this business can bring the possible profit, and all the necessary actions will bring into a possible outcome. So in this stage, our BMC, that is business model canvas, will have a good review on this. And next is product development testing. So this is, we have compared with the our DT5 stages, that is empathize, define, ideate, prototype and testing. This is all about the product development process. So here now we are going to check what is the how innovation works. So every point of time, last topic we discussed about the product development. So development doesn't conclude on one first phase of development alone. So this will take on to the various stages, that is bringing the outcome of the product, and then we are going to check whether this product will have the features, additional features will have which will enhance the customers feedback. So here we are going to bring a term called it as innovation. So innovation means bringing some changes, that is whenever there is a requirement in the production process, we are going to bring some additional changes. So here how this innovation framework has brought into the implementation process. First we have to give a checkpoint reviews. So then and there in the production process we have to give a checkpoint. So this stage, what is our review, and until the next stage where it has reached. And we have go no go decisions. So whether we can step ahead with this point, or shall we conclude, or shall we stop with this point. Next we have phase based progress. So if we have 4 to 5 stages of production, whether this first we need any changes in the second phase, whether we need any changes in the third phase, so which will bring the additional output, or which will reduce the time of the production process. So this is how the innovation framework has been created. Next we have to understand what is stage gate approach. So stage gate, the gate itself, the topic itself denotes what is the stage. So whether we are in the which stage. So we are dividing the production into various stages. So which stage and gate approach. So stage gate approach, in the sense we are possibly making before the product is passing to the next stage, we are making a small ahead, that whether here the production is certain alternatives can be bring in, or is there any changes that is reducing the production process. So stage gate approach is a structured project management methodology that divides product development into distinct stages separated by the decision gates. We are talking about the physical gates. Here we are going to discuss on the decision gates. Each gate serves a checkpoint where projects are evaluated against the specific criteria before receiving the approval to proceed. So earlier, before the World War II, there is a method where Germans people used to, like it's like a card like process. So like there were no automation systems were used, only manual labors were appointed. Once the this process, certain stage of process is over, the person who have been ahead will give a signaling, or will show any card, noticeable card, to make aware that the other stage for the product is ready for the other stage. So this was like further research, and which has been developed by Robert G. Cooper in the later 1980s. So this framework especially reduces the risk, time, and improves the efficiency, and also ensures the resources are allocated in the production or manufacturing concern is properly utilized. Okay. So that's all about today, this video. We will discuss the next topic on the next video. Thank you for listening the video.